Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on my T110 Lawnmower from Craftsman. I kept it all winter without charging the battery, and now the battery is there. It doesn't have no click and no start. I'm going to show you what to do to get it started, but you have to use extra precautions, safety precaution when you're doing this procedure by yourself. So let me show you what it's doing, then I'm going to show you how to get it rolling and started again, and hopefully you're not going to need a new battery and it will charge. So I'm going to show you what this lawnmower is doing, and maybe yours is doing the same thing, and then I'll show you what to do. As you can see, we have no click and no start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring this red lever all the way down where it says park brake, and you're going to press that in with one leg, and then with the hand you're going to bring that down. Once you bring it down, you bring this lever all the way down. Make sure it's all the way down. You can do this two ways. You can put this in forward, neutral, or reverse. I like to leave it in neutral. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to pick the seat up, and we are going to be exposed to the battery. So this is the negative side, and this is the positive. Like I say, if you're gonna do this, you have to be extra careful. And what I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be using the Noco Genius boot to give it a charge. Let me set up the camera. Now what we're gonna do is, like I said before, we got the positive post and we got the negative post. I'm gonna put my negative post first. I'm going to put my positive post. Now I'm going to turn it on. I don't know if you can see the green light there, but the green light is on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the red to get this thing started. You keep that pressed in. Make sure it's there. Now you can get this started. So there you have it, my friends. That's how we get this T110 lawnmower from Craftsman started again. If you had it all winter in storage and you didn't charge the battery, at least if your battery is dead, at least you get it started at least for one day to cut your grass, and then you go get a battery. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.